Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a watermark in Microsoft Word. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Design tab up at the top. And on the far right side, you want to select watermark. Go ahead and just left click on that. So if you want to just do a confidential watermark, you can just select that. Or if you have a custom watermark you want to add in here, you can select custom watermark and then go ahead and upload it. So if you select picture watermark and you can select the picture and you can just upload it from your computer. If you just had a text watermark you wanted to make here, you could just type in specifically something you'd want to have as the watermark. So just type in example watermark and select OK. So you can see now it's been created over here. And if you were to go and double click on this watermark, you'd be able to go ahead and modify it. And if you went back into the watermark section here, you can select remove watermark at the bottom if you wanted to remove it at some point. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.